Hi, this is me. And that's the face of someone who don't know what they got himself into. Look at that face. Look at that face. This is me from the future. The bread turned out really well. Not exactly like the video, but it's really good. But the process of making this bread is the fun part. I'm kidding. I was crying. I was struggling. I was stressing out. Now, why was I stressed out? I mean, it turned out pretty well. Look. You'll see. You'll see why. But first, let me tell you something, okay? My whole plan was to make this milk bread. The recipe is down in the description below. But the process of making it, it was a problem. You know, from a soft, fluffy milk bread, it turned out to be a normal bread. So this video is not really for a recipe purpose. If you want to follow, description below. For entertainment, you can continue. Okay, so first we heat up the pan. We got some bread flour, add some water. I'm gonna stir it together. Take away all the clumps and stuff away, and it will be smooth like this. It doesn't take that long, less than 5 minutes. It will be more sticky like this. Keep stirring around and you get that. And that's when you should stop, turn it off. And then you put it in the bowl. Gotta scrape everything. It takes a while to scrape it down, but it's pretty sticky. And look at that, it's very jiggly too. But you see, in the recipe, you're gonna leave it in for 6 hours. But from the time that it starts, which is 5:55, it'll be like what? 11 p.m. or 12 p.m.? Nah, I gotta wake up the next day and I realized, and I look at the time. What was it, like 12 in the afternoon. After doing the math, that was like 18 hours. Yeah, that's a long time. Anyway, I'm gonna add bread flour, some sugar, some salt, active dry yeast, but also powdered milk, but I don't have that, so and mix it together. But without powdered milk is okay because we can use regular milk as a replacement, so I'm good. So here I'm adding milk, and I'm gonna stir it up at stir mode. Keep stirring. Just when I realized that I forgot to add egg, and so I add eggs. And I keep stirring it up. And I thought I was done until I realized that I forgot to add butter in, and so I add butter at a very, very fast mode. Just kidding, it's just 4. After stirring it for a while, I thought I was, close to being done. So I kind of just smooth it up together, so it looks smooth on the top. Putting it down. And just pet it like it's my child. Cover it up and ready for it to be proof. Look at me not knowing what I did wrong. Wow, look at me. I look so proud. Yeah, that's when I realized that I forgot something. Remember yesterday? Yeah, we made, those sticky liquid. Yeah, that I kind of forgot to add it in. Hopefully it still work. Please rise. Oh, it did, kind of. Yeah. Okay, so now I gotta put it on a lightly floured surface. I already cleaned the counter, don't worry. And then I cut into 6 pieces, cover it up with plastic wrap for the next 15 minutes for it to proof up a bit. And here's a speed up video of me. After 15 minutes, it proof up, so I'm just try to like fold it, into its shape. I don't know, just following the recipe. I didn't flour the surface enough, so. But look at it, so smooth. Look at that. Sticky and smooth. And I'm gonna put it in and wait 30 minutes. I egg wash it with egg yolk and milk and ready to be baked. So we're baking it at 355 degrees for 25 minutes following the recipe. Look at that. Look at that buns. Damn. Looking good. Look at that side. Very good. I'm very proud. Looking good. It's very soft. Look at it. Ooh. It's just bread. It's really jiggly bread. Look at me slapping it. Yeah, it's a great bread. Squishy bread. Look at that.